So I was helping my son put together his spreadsheet of prospective schools, and we wanted it in a spreadsheet so that we could share it and that we could also use filtering and sorting and be able to add our own fields like our status and our notes, hide the stuff that we didn't want. And as you can imagine, copying and pasting all that data from a page like this into this kind of spreadsheet would be really irritating. So we used Ask Steve to build a one-click AI agent. So now on any college page on niche.com, I can go and press the button. And what it's going to do is it's going to extract all the information from the web page and then use AI to turn it into a form that can be written directly into Google Sheets and then write it directly into my Google Sheet. So here we can see ASU is written, and I've got all the details, the URL back to the niche page, their website URL, city, state, grades, etc. You'll notice that some of these things were marked as empty or unavailable. These were things that weren't showing on the page at the time. And this particularly holds for grades. So if you want all the grades, you need to expand that section first by saying view full report card. Now, if I run it again, we'll see that it will actually get all the grades. It'll add a new row so I can clear out the first one, but we'll see that it's going to get all the grades this time. Okay, so now if we go back here, we can see that yes, in fact, indeed, it did get all the grades. And then it's got all those other fields here as well. And again, you can hide the ones you don't want, delete the ones you don't want. You can add your own. We've added 2 extra fields here. One is for your notes, and then one is for your status. And so you can do this on any college page. I can even go run a couple at the same time, go hit all these. And then what it's going to do is send it all to AI and then write them all into my spreadsheet, making it super fast and easy for me to build my sheet full of prospective schools and then compare, contrast, filter, sort, share, all that kind of stuff. If you have any questions, let us know in our user community. Thanks.